baby shark. Do-do-do, wait, splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle waggle tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar! Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny. Dino sneezes. Splash! He falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, no.
Dino says, oops, I'm just trying to play. Hey! Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes whack. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day, no two, they both laugh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by yo. Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! Woo! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck on a plan. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. Oh, slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings help. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun.